Square 5080, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a easy pumpkin / melon farm. If you like, you can make everything into melon or pumpkin. The items you'll be needing will be in the description below or in the comments. The first step is to place any solid block, 5 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the left side, build 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on your left side, place more 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then fill this up, put 3 blocks here and then fill it up. So it should be a 5 by 5. Come to any side you like, break two blocks and break 2 blocks below. So it should be a 4 by 4, break 4 blocks down. Then grab a double chest, place it like this, crouch and place a hopper. Make sure the nozzle's facing downwards and place a slab. The next step is to place 2 blocks here and 2 blocks here. So take your power rail and place one here and place a rail. When you are placing rail on the hopper, you should crouch down, otherwise you can't place it. And follow what I'm doing now. If this happens to you when you're doing it, take the power rail and this rail, place this rail and place a rail here, then place the power rail. So this should solve your problem. Then continue doing this. And place another power rail here. So it should be looking like this. The next step is to break a block here and here. Place a redstone torch so the power rail is activated. Do the same on the other side. So after doing this, go above any power rail and place 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the 3 blocks and build a 5 by 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. And then fill this up. This is just a temporary platform. It should be 5 by 5. It should be the same as the down platform. So the next step is to take some pistons, and this is quite tricky. This part is kind of tricky. So stand above any power rail, place a piston facing towards you, leave a block gap, place another piston, a gap and another piston, somewhat like a pattern, and then go down, leave this block, place a piston, leave a block and place a piston. Then come down, place a piston on your right and leave 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3, and place it on the 4th block. Then come down, go on your right and place a piston, leave a block and place another one. Go down, go on your right, place a piston, and then go on your left, leave a block and then place a piston, and then leave a block and place a piston. It should be looking like this, like a plus sign in the middle and pistons like this. And then break these blocks. Take your observer, and this is also somewhat tricky. Crouch down and place the observer. Make sure the red dot is facing up and the face is facing down. This is important. Otherwise your farm won't work if the face is up. Continue doing this until it's filled up. Only leave a block in the center. Place a block in the center so you don't forget to leave a block. Continue doing this for all the remaining gaps. After doing this, the next step is to grab some dirt and place one here. Place a block of dirt here and build a 5x5 again. It should be above the rails. So it should be like this. The next step is to go on top. Place a solid block on all the above all the pistons and don't make sure not to place the solid blocks above the observer. Then after placing a solid block above all the piston, take redstone dust and put the redstone dust above all the observers. After doing this, take a hoe and make sure to hoe the dirt below the observer. This part can be tricky. Make sure not to do it under the piston, under the observer. After doing this, take your pumpkin or melon seeds. You can do both if you like. I'm gonna do both. I forgot a step, sorry. Take some stairs. Remember the middle block. Break this block and break this block. And take your dirt. I did a mistake, so I have to just fix it. Place a stair here. It's better to do this waterlogged step before doing it. Place a stair there and put water on it. Then go on top. Take your solid block and place a block like that. So it should look like this. And take your pumpkin or melon seeds and place them. You can make it bigger if you like. This farm. Now wait for all the stalks to grow and place a minecart with a hopper here. So what happens is that when it grows, this observer activates a piston. So when it grows, a pumpkin or melon will be here or here on this dirt block, and the piston breaks it and the minecart with a hopper collects it. So to make sure you don't lose any of your drops, do this step. Place 2 blocks glass like this and place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and place the down one also 5. Do like this and place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here and do the same with the other one. So technically you're just wrapping glass around so you don't lose any of your drops. what happens is when the stem is fully grown, you should wait for the stem to fully grow, then only you can get the melon. In this one, the stems are fully grown. I left it for some time and I got them so much. So I'm gonna show a time lapse now. From the AFK, let's see how much we went. To be exact, I went AFK for 7 minutes. In 7 minutes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 stacks and 10 and more than 1 stack of pumpkin. I'm gonna show you what you can do with this if you have way too much. You can trade it with the villagers, the pumpkin, and the melons. You need a crafting table. You can do this to all of your extra melons because you're gonna have lots of food after this. And you can just trade it with the villagers. You'll get a lot. Trust me. Then you can just trade with the villagers all of your stuff. We got 19 emeralds from 7 minutes worth of AFK and it's still going on. Pumpkins give less drops because when the melons break, it comes into 4 or more. That's why pumpkin gives less drops. So that is it for the video. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And I'm gonna duck out of here.